everyone, I'm Shilpa, a student at NIFT Mumbai. The pandemic, like everyone else, made me appreciate everything that I had going, even if I could not see the joy in it. In 2019, one of my dreams did come true. The chance to follow my dream and study in one of India's most prestigious fashion college, NIFT Mumbai. Hold up. You might be thinking you usually hear these things by the end of the video when you've achieved your dreams and everything, but this is just my way of showing what is the journey actually like once you achieve what you really want to. As amazing as it sounds following your dream, it does not take away the energy and effort you need to put in to progress in that journey. It was and it still is difficult for me to prove the credibility of my creative instincts. But you know what? You work through it. The course started with one of my iconic touches, #AajKaAtyachar. It made me want to dress up every day. Settling in and creating that space for me to enhance my energy every day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch this video where I created a beautiful living space in my dorm room. And of course, it brought me one little crazy yet samajhdar teenager in my life. However the energy of the world might be, I would come back to this child who finished these beautiful assignments overnight, help me put makeup because I clearly don't know how to, try to get her closet together and sigh every night after I would shower saying, "Yaar Didi, aap to mere kota ka bhi naha rahe ho." If you are coming to NIFT, you can be either of the two. You work in advance to get good night's sleep every day, or someone who would not sleep for 48 hours straight and be a caffeine zombie. You can clearly say I'm the latter one. It's legit me before taking off my makeup in the night, and basically I've been super loaded with work the entire day yesterday and then today, and I had submissions. Did not sleep for the entire night and ended up literally working for the entire day and sleeping the afternoon. Management is difficult unless you find your people, be it work or random chilling. I was reluctant to have friends from Delhi, yet eventually I figured a part of me is like them. Okay. Listen, I tried. I really tried. For the first time, I had people around me who loved Aisha and Sex and the City as much as I did. We would have weekends where sometimes my old soul would want to stay in and build my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't. So the first thing that I do after getting up is make my bed because have you looked at my bed? And it's ready. I don't know if it's a usual thing for college students to do it, but I'm going for breakfast at literally 10:20 when the breakfast closes at 10:30. Best thing. Yeah, there's a lot of work that goes into our assignments and everything because for me, having a background in engineering, I have to do double the work than any other design school person. I feel, of course, there will be other people too, but yeah, I have to think of an idea and make sure it looks the same when I'm putting it on paper, writing, or whatever it is. And that takes a lot of time for me, so that's what I'm currently struggling with, how to manage my time with everything going on and still taking care of me, myself. And sometimes I would just explore the city on my own and feel the girl in the city vibe altogether. But guys, I got a chance to interact with freaking Narendra Kumar in one of the talk sessions. While I tried finding myself, the curriculum gave me the chance to regulate my energy in my theatre class. All in all, every day I was doing things that I did as a hobby all this while, and now it became this whole journey of fine-tuning it for professional skills. Guys, you won't believe. We made videos, learning diaries, which was a finer looking version of my old scrapbook of fashion. We did photo shoots every week, and I tried to put in a little time here and there to increase working on my Instagram and YouTube venture. We visited Aurangabad to explore the art of Himru and Paithani, saw the beautiful Bibi Ka Maqbara, Ajanta Ellora caves, lot of mutton bhakri, galloti kebab, and long hours of beautiful Himru and Paithani work and the handlooms. The day seemed like a struggle sometimes, but eventually we came out of it. A lot of you might think, why this video now? Well, A, to show you our beautiful last year, which you guys were so curious about to know because I kept getting messages, please show a day in your life in NIFT, and clearly I did not make vlogs when I was trying to keep up with my college. B, hard work won't stop after you achieve your dreams. It will be the starting point. And C, remember your reason of being in the place you want to be and work through it. Hey, hope you like this video. A lot of you might relate to it or feel a little bit nostalgic of your college life. And yeah, if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you felt it that way. And yeah, subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, guys. Until the next video, bye.